Howdy, town of Aurora. Guitar here. Today we're going to be learning how to make a paper airplane. Let's see how.
So we're going to start off with a hot dog fold. Then we're going to unfold it. Take the bottom corners and fold them diagonally into the middle. And then take that point and fold it upwards. But make sure there's a bit of room at the sides and at the very top. You're going to fold up the bottom corners again, and then use the room at the top to fold over to hold it down. After folding that in half, you're then going to fold them down diagonally to make the top of the paper airplane, or the wings. Then pinch the bottom to make sure you get the shape. And that's it.
Hope you enjoyed learning how to make a paper airplane. Check out the Town of Aurora's YouTube channel for more Rec at Home videos. And remember, stay safe and stay healthy. We'll see you around, partner.